as a cause of obesity exists, but is extremely rare. Genetic mutation would mean a baby is born with a mutation in their DNA that makes them obese. It makes something different in their physiology so that they store fat or burn very little energy and therefore store so much fat. In any case, they end up storing a lot of fat and they're obese no matter really what they do. That is extremely rare. It exists, but it's very, very rare. Only, I don't know what the number is, but I'm going to guess it's like under 25 that have been discovered. Now, genetic predisposition is probably very common, where you have genes that may make it so that you have an easier time storing fat, or the flip side of the coin, you have genes that make it much harder to store fat, so you can eat a whole lot and not really gain weight until you get to be about middle age, then it changes. Now, how might our genes and our biology influence our body weight? What are some ways that we see the connection between our biology that comes to us from our genes that translate into a tendency to be overweight or a tendency to be thin? Anyone have any thoughts? Yeah.
We get like thyroid, when you have thyroid issues.
Okay, so what would be the connection there? What would be going on that would actually translate into gaining or not gaining weight? What's the connection with the thyroid?
I don't really know. I just know if you have hypertension or hyperthyroidism, you tend to not gain weight, and hypothyroidism.
Okay, well, the thyroid gland has a lot to do with setting your metabolic rate. So remember, energy balance, energy in, energy out. The thyroid gland is going to influence how many calories you expend. So if you expend a lot or not very much, that's certainly going to affect your energy balance. Okay, any other thoughts of how our biology can translate into our tendency to gain weight or not gain weight? What? Well, which came first, the chicken or the egg? Having fat cells enlarged is what tends to contribute to diabetes. Yeah.
Like body structure? Like if you're taller, like you're really tall, you're...
Okay. Your body shape, your body structure that you get, sure. Are you in the 130 class or the 530?